Have you ever tried a cleansing balm to wash your face? That's what this is. So BioSimply sent this to me so that I could try it and then tell you about it. So I'm going to show you right here how I used it. But it is a really interesting product. So that's what it looks like. It smells very citrus, but kind of mild citrus. So that makes it really nice. It's not overpowering. And you're just going to rub it into your face. Then you'll add a little bit of water and kind of emulsify it and rub it some more. And then you can rinse it off. I used a warm, wet washcloth to wipe it off. It also comes with this little scoop here. So it has hyaluronic acid in it, and it also has ceramides in it. And so, yeah, this felt amazing as I was putting it on my face. And then when I had it all wiped off and rinsed off, it just felt so nice and clean. So this is really great stuff. I like it. And hopefully you liked this video. So if you did, please hit the like button. And if you would like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit the subscribe button. And the link to this will be down in the description.